Welcome to our Nikon Z50 macro photography tutorial. It's crucial to use special settings tailored for macro photography. Let's delve into them. First, ensure you're in manual mode for full control. Navigate to the photo shooting menu, autofocus, and choose the manual focus option. Now, let's start by finding a well-lit area with your subject in focus. Adjust the aperture on your camera to EF8 or higher to ensure the entire flower or plant is in focus. In some cases, you may need to use a wider aperture, lower f-stop number, to isolate the subject from the background and create a pleasing bokeh effect. Experimenting with different aperture settings will help you find the ideal balance between depth of field and background blur for your specific macro photography needs. Next, check your ISO settings. Keep it low, around 100-400, to maintain image quality and reduce noise in your outdoor macro shots. For outdoor macro photography, it's essential to use a fast shutter speed to freeze any movement caused by wind or subtle vibrations. Aim for at least 1/250th of a second. Lastly, fine-tune your white balance settings to match the natural lighting conditions outdoors, ensuring accurate colors in your macro photos. Daylight setting is a reliable choice for outdoor macro photography in most situations. Take a moment to review your shot on the camera screen. With these settings dialed in, you're now ready to capture stunning macro shots of flowers and plants in outdoor environments. Happy shooting!